Guys, this is the second trade we are waiting for, guys. We are waiting for this second trade. If you remember, we just took our first trade. We just took our first trade and it was a massive profit, guys. So this is the second trade I'm waiting for right now. So if you look at it, this one, if you look at it, the market has in have been selling. The market is selling to the downside. If you look at it at this point, the market broke out at this point and came to the downside. So, and if you look at it very well, we have a support, or you can call it a demand zone, a support that turn resistance. Look at it. We have this, see, this zone. Look at it. Third, this is a fourth touch, and this is a fifth touch. See, it turn resistance at this point. So that is to tell you that this zone is a very strong zone. So that is to tell you that this zone is a very strong zone. So this zone is a very strong zone. Look at it. It's a very strong zone. So there is a high probability that the market is going to put to this upside. Forget what the market is doing at this moment. Forget what it's doing. So we are going to pull back to this zone. So this is where I'm going to take my trade to the downside. So guys, this is going to be our second trade of the day, guys. This is going to be our second trade. So, and we need patience for price to approach that zone. We need patience, guys. So in case if price does not approach that zone, then we'll look for another setup. But currently, this is the setup we are waiting for. This is the setup we are waiting for right now. So let's see how it's going to play out. Let's see how it's going to play out. So if you look at it very well, there are some, these are my liquidity zone. It will surely come to grab this liquidity. So, and tap into this zone, and tap into this zone. So before selling to the downside. So that is my prediction. And we'll keep waiting. We'll keep waiting, guys. Hope we can take the, I hope if price can approach here early, if price can approach here, then we'll take the trade together in this video. If price can approach this area now, then we'll take the trade together to the downside. But let's see how it's going to play out. But currently we are still waiting. So let's see. So you need patience. At times you need patience. As in, let me say 90% of your trading requires patience. You need patience as a trader. It's very important. You need patience. So it's not all about execution and so on. So you need patience. It's very important. So most of you guys, you can even jump in from this zone. I was one of the victims, as in when I see a setup, I will jump in. Some of you guys can even jump in from this zone. Can even jump in from this zone. And you see the price at the end of the day, the price might pull back like this. At the end of the day, the price might pull back and take you out and tap into the main supply zone before coming to the downside. So guys, you need patience. Forget what the market is doing at this zone. Forget what the market is doing right now. All this thing, it will trap those guys that doesn't have patience. If you don't have patience, it will trap you guys. So you need to wait patiently. So that is trading for you. That is trading for you guys. So guys, to avoid, I don't want this video to be too long, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll keep you guys updated. If we miss the opportunity, we'll look for another one, guys. We'll look for another one. So guys, have a nice day.